if you have been in a situation where you've been in close contact with people for a prolonged period of time, monitor your symptoms for 14 days, and at the sign of any mild symptoms, stay home and contact your provider or our coronavirus hotline to get tested. If you don't have a symptom, assessing the risk due to a specific event like a protest where we don't have any known positives at this point is really premature. So as we get information in, if we do see a risk to the general public or people who participate in the protest, we'll certainly let you guys know.
Hi, Dr. Dunn, Ben Winslow with Fox 13. With the recommendation by the commission to go to green and the Department of Health making its recommendation not to go to green, what happens next in terms of where we go with this? Because we do have public health orders set to expire by the end of this week, I believe.
Yeah, so both of those recommendations go to the governor's office and he'll determine what policy he wants to set forth.
Do you have any indication of where the governor is leaning on this, or if we're even going to go to orange with this increase in cases?
Yeah, I don't have any indication.
Hi, Sonia Hudson with KUER. I also had a question about protests. Is there any guidance for police officers on who are dealing with protests as far as wearing masks? We saw, my colleagues and I saw a lot of police officers not wearing masks, but having, the face shields over. What is the guidance there from the Department of Health?
Yeah, so this was definitely a unique situation. In general, we do recommend law enforcement, similar to the rest of individuals, to wear masks when you're in situations where social distancing isn't possible. The protest response was definitely a unique situation, and public safety leadership was making decisions to protect both the public and their police officers. So that's how those decisions were made. The face shields are a good idea as well. But again, in general situations, masks are a good idea. I can't speak specifically to why they chose not to in this situation, but I know that it was an informed decision.
Sure. Are the face shields less effective than masks, the same?
We don't have in terms of specifically around COVID spread, we don't have a lot of good data around this. The important part is to have a barrier between, your mouth and other people in order to prevent the spread of droplets. So just as long as there's a barrier there, it's a good idea.
Got it. Thank you.
Yep. Well, all right. Have a great afternoon. Thank you.